Alright, little elf. Okay, this is Koa.
Crewton's House of Math.
Crewton Ramone's houseofmath.com. That's where you are. You're in Crewton Ramone's House of Math. Okay, how old are you?
11.
11. Another 11-year-old. When are you going to be 12?
November 28th.
Oh, so it's coming up. Not too long for now.
Yeah.
He'll be 12. He is currently working on addends, which is where we always start. Right? We're gonna just a quick thing. It also gets him used to the blocks. We'll be doing algebra in just a second. Remember we were doing algebra last time, right?
Yeah.
What'd you think about the algebra?
That was good.
Yeah, it's pretty fun, huh?
Yeah.
And then we were just fooling around with some fractions, just equivalent fractions and so forth, counting out numbers out of other numbers. Nothing hard about that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this stuff is actually pretty mundane. Two hands, man.
No,
2 hands.
have to switch.
Okay, good.
Okay, so.
So now we're building like the really difficult ones.
And 1.
The 4 is a 3 and a 1.
Oh, that's hard.
Yeah. Pretty much covers it, huh? And then what?
Yeah. 2. Well, yeah, 2 and 2.
Mm-hmm. That's one hand. See, you did it with one hand again. Ah!
Got it.
That's still one hand. Try again.
Okay, good. 1. 1, 2.
All right, that's it. That's the only difficult part about it is just using one hand. Okay, and then we'll play some games where okay, close your eyes. I have 7 chairs in a room. 3 kids are sitting in the chairs. How many more kids can sit in the chair?
4.
4 more. Okay, so let's see. If I have x plus 3 equals 10, what does x have to be?
1. Wait.
10.
X. Oh.
What plus 3 is 10?
What plus 3? 6. I mean.
6 and 3 is 9?
8. No, 7.
8 and 3 would be 11. We're going all around it. We're going with 7. Okay. See, and it's just that we got to get comfortable with these concepts that or these facts actually. Simple concept is that numbers are made up of other numbers, but the idea is got to be able to just look at or hear the numbers and know what goes with what to make what. Right?
Yeah.
So 5 goes with what to make 10?
5.
Yeah, super easy, right? Okay, so they all got to be like that. No thinking, where we just say, okay, what's 2 plus what is 9?
2 plus 7.
Yep. 6 and what is 10?
4.
2 and what is 10?
Not 8.
Good. See? That's all it is, right? And we just practice a little bit, fool around with the numbers, play with blocks, until that stuff becomes second nature. And you'd be surprised, add-ins are not second nature for most students in public and private schools. Okay, so we'll do more in just a second.
Okay.
Okay, so we're starting out with a refresher here.
2 units. Right there.
First thing to do, of course, to be able to do it is to know what pieces you need, right?
Yep.
Okay, and then we're going to build a rectangle out of it. So I just asked them, okay, I've got the rectangle, tell me the size.
So yeah, build it right there.
Right.
Okay,
Then what?
so 3 axes, so you got to. Alright.
I'm going to make a space for the green ones to fit.
Yeah.
So just move the one. There you go. Put them on top. Put it up here and stuff. I mean, that one.
That would be better.
Yeah.
Put that.
So you can see where the green ones are going to fit, right?
Yep.
Okay, and we're just building a pattern for you. And the way it looks for you is like that. Where we have across and up, and the green ones wind up here in the left-hand corner. Or right-hand corner. Right? Upper right-hand corner.
Yes.
Okay. So it's pretty easy to see. What are the vectors? What are the sides? Can you count? You remember?
Yeah.
Going across first?
Going across there, it's 1x, x, 1x, and 2 units.
Right. And then going up it is?
There's 2 units and 2 and
what?
2 units and 2x.
Try again. Just the edge.
Oh. 1x and 1 unit.
There you go. And then we can talk about this again, especially since he's already 11. The distance from here to here is x plus 1. You see that? No matter where I am along there, it's x plus 1. I need a 1. Where's a 1? There's a 1. See it?
Plus 1.
It's x plus 1 there. It's x plus 1 there. It's x plus 1. So we're just counting the distance right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then same thing, it's x plus 2 going across, anywhere across there, it's x plus 2 there, it's x plus 2 there, it's x plus 2 there, right? So we're just counting dimensions, which we're going to do it, it's x plus 2 and x plus 1, right?
Yep.
Okay, so now, notebook and pencil, write it out, and write down. So then we're going to start going faster and faster, because what we're going to do here is cement the add-ins in a more fun way with algebra, and I'm not going to film the whole thing. So write down x squared 3x and 2. This guy has really neat writing too. That's a bonus. And then you write as, okay, there you go, got your equal sign in there and everything. Excellent. Okay, so then the factors are x plus, in your case, x plus 2 and x plus 1. And then we could draw a little picture of it. It looks like this. Right? Okay. What are we doing and why? Well, the reason we're doing this is because excellent, there it is in his book. Okay, where's the picture? You gotta draw a little picture. Put it over here. Yeah.
Little Rick.
Yeah. So we see what it means. Oh, bro, you're not gonna use up the whole page.
I try. I try.
Okay.
Little squares.
Got it?
Yeah, pretty sure.
Okay, excellent. Okay, see, now even simpler than that, just super simple. Keep it simple. You're drawing all in 3Ds and making them, just make lines and dots. It's faster and easier, okay?
Okay.
All right, and seriously, simplicity. We're just using this as to jog the memory, because you know, you have the picture here, you can see, right? You've seen it, you've got your hands on it, you know what it looks like, so when you draw a simple picture like that, it just reminds you of that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good stuff so far? What if I change the 3x and this x? I'm going to change it to 5x and 6.
5x and 6.
Yeah, let's jump up. We did the first one just to refresh his memory, because we already did a couple of these last time he was here. Yeah, and now we're going to start moving faster.
Now, get that out of the way.
Yep.
6. So,
6.
3.
Yep. You want 3 more? I could do this too.
2. Okay, so now we have 5.
Put them on top. On top.
Yep.
Yeah. Erase all this. And you can already see how it's going to fit together, right?
Yep. Right.
Bingo.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me the factors.
Okay, top factor is 1x.
The cross is x plus
3.
Yep.
3.
X plus 3. And up it is
X plus 2.
There you go. Put it in your book. Write it down. I don't know, when you just do your pencil.
Yep.
Write it down. Got your pencil, you're on. Okay. And then we're just going to start doing a bunch of these. And what are we learning? We learn a little bit about multiplication. We learn about add-ins, right? The 2 and the 3 makes 5, blah, blah, blah. And it just goes fast and easy, and it's fun, and it'll probably use up the whole rest of the hour almost. We'll do a couple other concepts like fractions and so forth, because he needs that. And that'll be that. Okay, say Crewton Ramone's house of math.com.
Crewton.
Yeah, that place. Crewton Ramone. Crewton Ramone's house of math.com.
Crewton Ramone's house of math.com.
There you go.
I got it.
Start with Crewton Ramone's house of math, playing with algebra, and we introduce another concept. The concept is economy of symbol. He built it nicely, right? There's my x squared, 6x, and 9. There's x squared, 6, and 9 in symbols. Now, can you write the factors? X plus
3.
Yep. So it's x plus 3 that way, and it's x plus 3 that way. So you see how you basically just wrote it twice?
Yeah.
Okay, so in math we have this thing called economy of symbol. Fewest symbols possible to get the idea across. See that? So can't you see that's an x plus 3 squared? Putting this on there. You see that?
Yeah.
That it's x plus 3 that way, and it's x plus 3 that way.
Yeah.
And that, see, this is an x squared?
Yeah.
It's just x that way and x this way.
Yeah.
Well, now this is x plus 3 that way, and x plus 3 this way, so we can just call it an x plus 3 squared. Right?
Oh.
Or an x plus 3 to the second power.
So no need to write that stuff.
You don't have to read it. You don't exactly. You don't have to write it twice because it's kind of redundant.
Yeah.
So that 2 tells you. It's like over here. I don't put x times x. I just put x squared.
Yeah.
Make sense? Okay. One concept at a time. That's all it is. Okay. So you could rewrite it in your notebook as x plus 3 squared.
Okay.
Right? As soon as you find your pencil.
Yes. I keep dropping it.
It's hiding.
Found it.
Okay, there you go. So, no, don't have to erase because you're right. There's no error there. It's just that you can be just as correct and use fewer symbols writing x plus 3 squared.
Plus 3.
Right? You're not wrong.
There we go.
Yeah, excellent. Okay, give me one more equal sign. Because what you're saying is this, this, and this. All 3 of those are equal, right?
Yep.
Okay, fine job. Right. So, let's move on to the next one. X squared, 7x, and 12.
X squared, 7x, and 12.
Yes.
Got it.
That's pretty funny. By the time I write it, put the camera down, write it, and pick the camera back up again, he's already finished it. See? Pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
Told you it would start going faster and faster once you get used to it. Okay. So now we have x squared, 7x, and 12, and the factors are x plus 4 and x plus 3. Right? And he's writing it down over there. See the x plus 4 and x plus 3.
X.
Very simple.
X squared plus 7x.
Yeah. Well, you haven't been doing the last couple of them. You haven't been drawing your little picture.
Yeah,
So go back and draw the little picture. And see now, the symbols tell you what to do, right?
Yeah.
Tells you to put x plus 2 this way and x plus 4 that way. That one tells you to make it x plus 3 both ways. This one, anyway. So draw your little pictures to go along with your symbols. Always start off that way.
3.
Yeah, so we're knocking them out one after another. We just got done x squared, 8x, and 15.
X plus 5.
We're actually doing them faster than I can write them. That was x squared and 8x and 12 a second ago. Now we moved on to x squared, 8x, and 15. And now we're going to move on to x squared, 9x, and 20. See? And that's what I mean. Now you can make a new row going down. And again, what are we doing? Practicing our add-ins, practicing our multiplication. Simple as that. Okay, so we're doing algebra, and then we took a quick sidestep into the 9 times table, and I showed him a nifty neat trick where you just write out 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then you can write 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 next to it, and you wind up with all the add-ins and the multiples for 9. 1 times 9 is 9, 2 times 9 is 18, 3 times 9 is 27, but then it turns out that 0 and 9, 9, 1 and 8.
8.
1 and 8 is how much?
9.
2 and 7 is how much?
It's 9.
It's 3 and 6?
9.
It's always going to add up to 9, right? So we know that when you have these numbers, the digit, they call that the digit sum, is 9, always, right? And then we find out that when we get all the way down here to 99, we add them up and we wind up with 18, and then the digit sum is 9. So it always works out. Because look, even over here, 1 plus 1 plus 7, 9, right? 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 6, 9. It's always the multiples of 9 add up to 9. Anyway, playing and having fun with numbers, and in that case, the 9 times table. So now we have only about 8 minutes left. Can you believe it?
You stopped at 11:30.
Yeah, you got here at 10:30.
Oh.
Pretty fast, huh? The hours go by instantaneously because time flies when you're having math, especially when math is fun. Okay, so we added another dimension, a level degree of difficulty, where instead of just keep grabbing the tens, or excuse me, the single x's, we are using the multiple tens over here, and he's figuring out the factors. So now I know I have 3x. I'm trying to make 18, and this clue is here. So now, what do I have to do for my other factor? 3 times what is 18?
3 times 6.
Yeah, there you go. Get the 6! What? Get the 6! Where's the 6?
What? 6.
Right there, yeah, there you go.
I found them.
Okay.
Right there. sound right there. And
okay, and then do you even need to get the pieces up by now? Do you know how many's going to fit in there?
18.
18, because it's 3 times 6, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I know my factors are what? X plus,
and then if it would be across, it would be x plus 6.
and up it would be?
X plus 3.
There you go. So just write out your factors in your book.
2.
Right? Okay, so again, just step up the degrees slowly but surely. That's an add-in for 9, and those are the multiples for 9, right? 3 plus 6, 9. 3 times 6, 18. Learn all at once. It's more fun. The hours go by fast.
I know.
So we did a little bit of algebra, we did some add-ins, we did some multiplication, we played with very little bit of fractions. We actually ran out of time to get to the fractions. Here is the algebra we did with all the pictures. Every single one of them is right. He knows he's right because if it's not a rectangle, you didn't get it right, right? Mm-hmm. Makes it pretty simple. So that fun? Was that one of the fastest hours ever in math?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Crewton Ramone's House of Math.com for more.